Hi everyone. Let us check our today's job opportunities. Also, check out our interview preparation series if you want to prepare for the interviews free of cost. Also, where we explain pseudocode, you can check out pseudocode playlist and logical programming playlist as well. So, and try to subscribe our channel. So, because we upload daily job openings, so you will get benefited from it. So, without wasting our further time, let's just jump in. The first one is from Genpact. They are hiring for management trainee account payable. Eligibility is BCom and or graduate. Experience required is freshers. Location will be Hyderabad. Also check out our about the Genpact company. Key responsibilities you can check out over here like vendor payment, account reconciliation, clerical support. Also check out required skills and qualifications and why you should join the Genpact company. Here will be apply now button so that you can directly apply for this role. Let us check our another opportunity. This one is for customer service support associate. Eligibility is fresh graduate. The job will be from Teleperformance company and the locations are pan India. Freshers can apply for this role. You can check out about the company profile like they have team of 330,000 employees. So it's a pretty big company. You can check out key responsibilities like inbound and outbound calls, multi-channel support, follow-up and issue resolution, problem solving. Also check out skills and communication qualification what they are expecting from us. Also why you should join the Teleperformance company, what you will get in benefit. Here will be the apply now button so that you can directly apply for this role. Let us check our another opportunity. This one is from L&T. They are hiring for the software engineer role. Eligibility will be BE, BCS and experience level is 0 to 1 years. Location will be Powai, Mumbai. So do check it out. Check out about L&T company like what they do and what are they. Also you can check out for the software engineer role description we have given over here. You can check out what are the key responsibilities for this role like design and develop machine learning systems, implement ML algorithm, conduct experiment testing, data management, MATLAB integration. Also required skills and qualification you can check out like key skills, what are key skill, what are additional skills they are expecting. And why you should join the L&T company. Here you can find all the details. Here is the apply now button so that you can directly apply for this role. Let us check out another opportunity. This one is from Citigroup. They are hiring for fraud ops analyst, bachelor degree or university degree they are expecting. Experience required is 0 to 2 years and job location will be Chennai. You can check out about some of the details about Citigroup. Some of the details about the job role like fraud ops analysis 2C10. Also key responsibilities, what are they expecting like analyze fraud trends, data driven decision, policy implementation, cross functional collaboration. Also check out what are the skills required for this role and what are the key benefits you will get if you are joining the Citigroup. Fill with the apply now button so that you can directly apply for this role. Always try to read all these details we have given because it will stand out your resume, and try to update in the resume and only prepare for the responsibilities and required skills mentioned by them in the job description. Okay, so it will save your time, and if you want to prepare for the interview you can check out our interview preparation playlist. Also let us check out our another job opportunity. This one is from Udal Technology. They are hiring for the assistant consultant development. Education required is any graduate can apply for this. Experience required is 0 to 1 years. So freshers can apply for this role easily. Job location will be Gurugram. You can check out some of the details about the Udal's company and some of the details about the job role. Also check out key responsibilities as server side integration, code development, database integration, application performance, analyze, improve, problem solving. Also check out required skills and qualification what they are expecting for this role. Here you can find what are the key benefits you will get if you are joining the Udal Technologies. Here will be the apply now button so that you can directly apply for this role. Friends, if you like our initiative of uploading daily job videos, smash that like button. Also share it with your friends and subscribe for further details. So also we are preparing one job interview book. So you will get that book free of cost. So don't miss any further updates from us. Thank you. Happy coding.